Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the color's name. Purple color, green color, chocolate color, blue color, orange color, red color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes. Hexagon, circle, pentagon, triangle, heart and star. First we're going to draw the shapes. Hexagon, next circle, next pentagon, next triangle, next heart, next kids star, now we're going to put the color. Green color, hexagon, next blue color, circle, next chocolate color, pentagon, next purple color, triangle, next red color, heart, next orange color, star, what we learn? We learn green color, hexagon, blue color, circle, chocolate color, pentagon, purple color, triangle, red color, heart, orange color, star. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.